If your chairman is falling and rising, make sure you watch this video. Hello guys, welcome to the Shantari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. So if this is your first time of seeing this channel, it means you are very lucky. This is a place to be. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so that you don't lose anything in this channel. Do not forget to give me thumbs up and also share this video so that a lot of people too can benefit from this video. All right. So the update I have today is for couples. Okay, it's for couples or people that are in relationship. If you are not in relationship, maybe you are single. Sorry. Do not engage in this. All right, do not engage in this. So now I have here with me punky. This is punky. It's punky fruit. Okay, you have the seed inside. Now any man that eats punky seed, don't cry in the other room. Okay, they don't cry in the other room. So this one is actually good for both male and female because it boosts fertility for both male and female. All right, then it also increases libido because of the presence of omega-3 fatty acid in it. Okay, so now pumpkin seeds also increase blood flow, increase blood flow to your pekus and bola, thereby making the overall to work to be tight and sweet in the other room. Okay, then apart from that, pumpkin seed also can prevent you from prostate cancer and any other cancer. So it's very rich. So you can get pumpkin seed anywhere. If you cannot get it like this, you can get the one that they have already extracted. Okay, so how do you take pumpkin seed? There are several ways you can do it, like eating it raw. Okay, you can decide to eat it raw with the shell, or you just remove the shell, but it's better to eat it with the shell if you want to eat it raw. You can also roast it or toast it. All right, so this is the seed inside. Okay, this is the seed inside. So you can actually eat this daily. Okay, eat a good number of it daily. It doesn't have the number of quantity you can eat. At least eat a good number of it daily. And also try as much as possible to eat it before bedtime. Eat it before bedtime. This pumpkin is regarded as natural Viagra. Okay, this is it. So you just chew it. So if you are chewing it with the shell, it will only take a longer time for you to chew. Okay, so do not forget, try as much as possible to share this video. You will definitely thank me later for this video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.